Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. Now, I made a video like this before, but I'm going to do it again to give y'all step by step what to do if you unemployed, okay? Now, some of y'all niggas need some guidance, and I understand because I was once needing guidance too, dawg. Now, I know you unemployed, you probably ain't working for nobody, but now this is the time to put all that energy and focus reciprocated to yourself. Like, now is the time to focus on yourself. Now is the time to actually love yourself. Now is the time to get in peace with yourself. Now is the time to connect with the present moment, because that's the only thing we can control. We can't control what happened to us in the past. We can't control what will happen in the future. The only thing we can control is the present moment. The reason why it's called the present moment is because the present moment is a gift. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's called present, because it's a gift. It's the only thing that God gave us to create and design our life however we want it. The ones who focus on the past are depressed. The ones who focus on the future have anxiety. And the ones who focus on the now have peace, because the present is the only thing we can control. Okay, so understand that, buddy. Okay, so if you unemployed, the best thing you can ever do is stay present. Don't focus on what you can't control. Focus on yourself. You get what I'm saying, dog? And how you focus on yourself is doing the smallest shit ever. Focus on purpose. That's the smallest shit ever. I don't give a damn, dog, if you want to read books. Dog, read books. Learn a little bit more information. You get what I'm saying, dog? It's not about working harder. It's about learning faster than the world. You get what I'm saying, dog? It's not about doing more things. It's about learning more things. It's about cultivating your mindset a little bit more than others. So, dog, get some books. Stack up on a lot of books and read that shit throughout your day. It will help you to get more wiser. It will help you to think better. It will help you to feel much better. It will help you to get a realization of how your life is actually playing out. So focus on books, dog. Read a little couple books. Read a book how to stay present. Read a book how to be rich. Read a book how to just focus on yourself. You can get the knowledge from YouTube, dog, but you will actually want to read it because it'll help you articulate your words much faster and much more. Okay, so if you're a person that look at other people, they be like, damn, they good at communication. You probably look at your teachers, they good at communication. You probably look at your friends, they good at communication. First of all, comparison is the thief of joy. The reason why your friends is good at communication, your teachers is good at communication, is because they just read books. That's all it is. That's literally how you get good at communication, by reading books. You got to understand, what's projected in the inside reflects on the outside. So if your mind, if your brain all scrabbled up and shit like that, and it don't know what to do, guess what? You're going to project that way. This is where you get people stuttering, because their brain is all over the place. So they just mismatch their words. They don't know what to say. They're like, I mean, I can't go to the, matter of fact, actually, so let me just tell y'all about this. Like, you would be talking to your significant other, and you'll be like, yeah, when I was going to work, I was, like my coworker had told me to, put some little shit in the refrigerator. And first of all, like, your brain is all over the place. It can barely function properly because you don't read enough books. You have to read enough books if you want your brain to function properly. Read books. When you unemployed, work on something, work on yourself, invest in your comfort zone, invest in it, become the best version while you chilling. You can chill. It's okay to chill. You ain't got to demonize calm and peace and being peaceful. You ain't got to demonize them type of parts about yourself. You just have to invest in it. I know the world is at a constant rate. They want us to do things fast. They want us to walk to work like these. They want us to get there quick enough. But dog, we have to understand, dog. The reason why the world want us to get things done quick enough, dog, is because now we in that type of frequency of chasing. And we just walk slowly to our destination. We on that frequency of attracting. We like actually being thoughtful. We being peaceful. We actually enjoying the present moment. But if you walking like this, nigga, you like, damn, you got all types of cravings right here. You got all types of anxiety right here, because you just not connected with the present moment. You have to connect with peace. You have to connect with the present moment. Okay, so while you unemployed, dog, connect with yourself. Find out a little bit more about yourself. Find out what you want to do in your life. It's all within yourself. Your job ain't got the answers. So if you got fired from your job, it was meant to happen. It was meant for you to stay sacred to yourself. Actually open up and find more about God. Actually find more about peace. Actually know what you want to do. So don't look at things in life that is happening to you. It's happening for you, bro. You're doing it so you can awakening your true self, so you can have a spiritual awakening, so you can do things that's good again. Life would go good if you just think good. It's about your perspective. So change how you view life. And this is why you get put in the lonely situations. I know you probably lonely as hell, but you put here for a reason. You lonely for a reason, so you can find yourself. Being lonely is a gift. It's so you can find yourself, so you can become one with God again, so you can actually elevate to the top. You have to be lonely. You have to be bored to get peace, to get ultimate peace in life. To get what you want in life, you have to be bored. It's okay to be bored. You don't have to just be around people all the time. You ain't got to just keep doing things all the time. Get bored. You find your best ideas while being bored. Get bored. You will start to do random shit. And then that random shit will start to actually take you to the top. Because it's so damn random. You don't even know why you're doing it, but you're doing it. But it's just bringing you happiness. It fulfills you. So you do it. So that's number one, dog. Find out more about yourself if you unemployed. Number two, my nigga, don't be lazy. Don't be on the game just sitting around bullshit. Don't just be talking shit to your friends. Dog, come outside and do some yard work. You get what I'm saying? Come outside and actually enjoy the sun. Get some sun gazing in. Do some backflips. Find out who you truly are. Do some yard work. Do some type of work around the house. That's what man's supposed to do. We supposed to build. We supposed to find things, little parts of our lives. We supposed to find little parts around the house and just naturally work on it. Oh yeah, bro, the blinds fucked up. Let me just fix the blinds. Oh, the grass need to be cut. I bet. Let me just go get the lawnmower that been sitting in the backyard for a long ass time, and let me just, you feel me, lawnmower the grass. Oh, the doorknob fucked up on the handles in my room. Let me just fix that little shit. Have awareness. Be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of what's happening in front of you. Because 9 times out of 10, you just focus on the past and you just focus on what other people doing in their lives. And then you feel bad about how other people doing in their lives. So you start to project hate onto others because something you lack within yourself. It's not good, my nigga. Focus on yourself. Comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on what you want in life. Focus on how you want your life to become. Focus on you. Don't focus on what other motherfuckers got going on in their life, because you can never control that shit, dog. So go around the house, stop worrying about people, and just go around the house and do simple, small ass shit. Fix up the crib. Come outside and do some yard work. If you see leaves on the grass, nigga, rake the goddamn yard. You get what I'm saying? Dog, like it's simple shit like that. Do small shit like that, bro. You ain't got to do big things to get big results. Nigga, big results comes from doing small things. Why would you take big ass steps? You gonna get exhausted, tired, and then you gonna feel depressed afterwards. Take small ass steps because you gonna knock it down fast enough. Why would you do this? Boom, 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 boom. Nigga, you gonna get tired as hell. You gonna get tired as hell. Imagine if, dog, it was a giant ass. Imagine if it was a giant ass lizard, right? And that motherfucker kept stumping over the earth. That motherfucker is going to, like, at one point of his life, he's going to stop and he's going to take a break. He's going to breathe. He's going to reflect on his past. Like, damn, I should never step like that. Damn, bro, why I was stepping like that, dog? That was too hard. Now this is where you get hard things in life. But, dog, if that motherfucker just steps small, boom, 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 boom. He get to his destination faster. He's not being tired. It's actually the opposite. As he's stepping, he's fulfilling his life. As he's stepping, he's actually living in abundance. As he's stepping, he actually doing the things that will fuel his future. So, dog, let your life be the opposite of how the society lives. Don't live like the society. Be different from the society. When you see the society going left, you go right. When you see them go down, you go up. When you see them turn backwards, you go forward. You keep that motherfucker rolling. Feel like the ocean. You will not drown, but if you don't relax, then, my nigga, you gonna drown. We got switches and automatic around. Hey, nah, some real shit, dog. Focus on yourself, dog. Focus on you. If you unemployed, it's okay. That dog, not having a job doesn't define you as a fucking fucked up individual. You're not fucked up. You just fucked up here. You're not fucked up externity. You just fucked up eternity. So fix the internal world. Shape your internal world. Feel like your best self. Like I said, get into a lot of, like, bro, read a lot of books. Fix things around your house. Come outside and actually, like, do things. Shape up your lawn, my nigga. Now, number 3, dog, this the only thing that will actually take you away from your problems is working out. Just do push-ups. On God, wake up, do like 100 push-ups. Go get a push-up board, because I know you probably saved a little bit of money from your job. Go get a push-up board. Invest money to actually become the best version of yourself. You can do that. Money is a tool, okay? You just need financial discipline, okay? But, my nigga, go get a push-up board and do like 50 push-ups. Not a day, but 50 push-ups in the morning, 50 push-ups during the day, and 50 push-ups at night. Okay? Understand that, dog. Work out, my nigga. That's the best thing you can ever do for your life is work out. You have to work out. If you work out, you will become the best version of yourself. Okay? The reason why you feel sluggish and you feel depressed and you feel like you feel just bad about yourself because you're not working out. You're not conducting vibration. If you're not conducting vibration, you will feel lazy. You will feel depressed. You will feel all them other bullshit because you're lazy. You need to work out. If you work out, you will open up in life again. You will be like, damn, life is so simple. Life is not that bad. Let me focus on myself a little bit more because life is not that bad. Focus on yourself, dog.